menta kasi ka khatway tarik naiwing. Kadai kasi ka balay hakabe dai bat ka jingrke ya ka shat nong krem. Kabanlong haki san singi lenter. Kabala tipru hakaju kapor. Kum ka pomblang nong krem. Bala penlong daka hima khairim. Kabala long hash nong smith. Kabajingai tang kumba khatway kilometer na shilong. Laya shimbenta da usim kahima khairim. Uppa im Dr. Balajet Sings im. Ya kanega jingshat laju penlong nak benta ban panbor na kablay sensyar. Shua ban lumban lang ya ukba ukhaw. Bat baki kun ki hajar kin yo ka syong suk syong shingan. Hakaju hi kanikas ngi laidon rengkat ru u chief minister ka Meklia Konrad K Sangma u MLA ka maureng keneng ba penyat Sings im. Us im ka hima melim u aina manik sim. Bat kiwe de kibalawan ban sakilang hakanikas ngi.
culture and ways of life. We'll be calling, say, we have a lot of Gentia population, Hasi population, Garo population, say Bangladesh. We would like to bring, them to be. Yes, on this occasion of Shat Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I'm here today to witness a very, very important ritual called Pomblang. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to Paim and to the other elders of CM of Khairem and all the other organizers out here, and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is. That we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here, so that this could become a permanent site, which it already is, but have the required amenities, and also become a good tourist attraction to really showcase the rich heritage and the rich culture that our people and our state has. Thank you very much.